Leg curls. In this video I show the basic version with the same side leg inwards. Same side leg means use the same leg as on the same side as the hand that holds the whip. The leg curls were actually the first original move I discovered myself about 3 years ago. And the idea behind it was I was trying to create a spiraling move with the whip, where the spiral around your body lasts as long as possible, and I wanted to involve the legs a bit more, and instead of just lacing around, have some more actions with the leg itself, and this was the result. I start again with the handle in the silver side hand, so the right hand you guys can mirror me first, but I'll switch hands anyway, so the other hand will be involved as well. How does it work? You just let your whip hang down, the fibers hang down in front of you, a little bit to the side, and then you lift the same side leg, so shift your weight on the other leg, and then you move your leg around the whip in an inward circling motion. So it's an inward circling motion like this, and you do this around the whip. And to avoid stepping on the fibers, I only put the tip of my toes down first. And to continue the spiral, the handle hand goes behind the back. The other hand rests here already, ready to grab the fibers. And then this piecemeal side hand will pull the fibers up and around behind the back. And from there you can just let the fibers drop. Move the handle of the whip around again to the front and do the same just again. Showing it from behind, still here the handle on the silver side, let the whip hang down, the leg does inward circling motion, put down just the tip of the toes first, the hand moves behind the back, the other hand is ready here to grab the fibers and then pull the whip around, and then you can put down the whole foot when the fibers are gone, so you don't step on them anymore. And you can just repeat it like this. Other hand, so this time on the easterly side, let the whip hang down, the same side leg, moves around the whip in an inward circling motion, put down the tip of your toes, the hand moves behind the back, the other hand is resting here already, ready to grab the fibers, and pulls the fibers behind. So to continue here behind the back, that is what makes the fibers last as long as possible on the leg and gives some tension. So, once again from behind. So the whip hangs down here in front, the leg goes around in inward circling motion, just the tip of the toes touch the ground. The other hand, the silver side hand now, grabs the fibers to give them some tension and pull you around. Like so. As a general thing, instead of re-grabbing the fibers here and to guide them around, wherever you have such a situation, you can as well do a handoff. And this is how you can mirror this move. So in my little demonstration at the beginning, I already did this. Started one leg, coming around for the other. And this is just achieved by the handoff. So you start, in this case now on the peace lily side, do the leg curl, hand off behind the back, and then pull the fibers out here. It's a similar effect if you just grab the fibers here and guide them around, or if you just pull the whole whip around. So the fibers will last here on the leg, then you come around on the other side, curl in, hand off, and out on the other side. So you can practice both sides at once just by handing off behind the back. So I come around here, just hand off, just have it in the handle in the loose grip, let it drop in the other hand, come around, same thing on the other side, the handle comes around, hand off, and so forth. Oops. That are the basic leg curls. I hope you like them as much as I do. They are probably one of my favorite moves, maybe just because I discovered them as my first original move some time ago.